What if I told you, you can solve any linear equation in under a minute? No guessing. No memorizing random steps. Just one simple idea that always works. Let's start. A linear equation is an equation where the variable has an exponent of 1. Example 1. 2x plus 5 is equal to 13. Your goal? Find the value of x. Here's the key idea. Whatever you do to one side, you must do to the other side. Think of it like a balanced scale. You want to keep both sides equal. Let's solve. Step 1. Remove the constant. We subtract 5 from both sides. 2x plus 5 minus 5 equals 13 minus 5. Now we have 2x equals 8. Step 2. Solve for x. Divide both sides by 2. So, x equals 4. Example 2. 3x minus 7 equals 11. Step 1. Add 7 to both sides. 3x minus 7 plus 7 equals 11 plus 7. Now we have 3x equals 18. Step 2. Divide both sides by 3. So, x equals 6. Example 3. With variables both sides. 2x plus 3 equals x plus 7. Step 1. Move variables to one side. Subtract x from both sides. 2x plus 3 minus x equals x plus 7 minus x. We have x plus 3 is equal to 7. Step 2. Subtract 3 from both sides. So, x equals 4. So remember, step 1. Simplify both sides if needed. Step 2. Move variables to one side. Step 3. Move constants to the other side. Step 4. Solve. If you can do this, you can solve most algebra problems already. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.